Today I'm going to be making something really simple. Let's try my easy scrambled eggs. I've got 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of water. So let's get started. So scrambled eggs are super easy. Let's get both of our eggs into our bowl. My 2 eggs and my 2 tablespoons of water. So that's 1 tablespoon of water per egg. At home, you can use milk if you want a little bit more nutrition. So the water is just going to help break these up and add a little bit more, volume to our eggs. So I'm just going to get these whipped up a little bit, just like that. And then we are ready for our pan. To start off, I'm going to pour a little bit of vegetable oil in there. I've got about half a tablespoon or so. Mix that around. Just give my eggs a little bit of a whisk. And then right into the pan. And then right away, I want to start pushing my egg. And I'm using a medium heat. You do not want to have your pan too high. And you can see how quickly this comes together. And what you want to do is constantly just keep moving your egg around, because you do not want to have a skin forming underneath. If you leave it too long, you'll be creating an omelet. You can see how quickly this comes together. You can also take your spatula and just pull away and create large pieces of egg. Just mix it around like that. You can see how fast this is almost ready now. I'm going to get my toast going. Moisture is being very quickly released from the egg. And at this point right here, this is already done. You can see how fast this has happened. This is in real time. I have not stopped the camera from taping. And at that point, this is done. So I'm going to get my toast ready, and I'll come back and we'll plate this up. Okay, we'll plate up our beautiful scrambled eggs. A little bit of toast. A few little cherry tomatoes. And then we'll just hit that with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. So there we have it, my easy scrambled eggs. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.